Hello and good day brothers and sisters. We the Collective would like to invite you to join us this weekend in Bakersfield, California for Operation Feed the Homeless. The local collective has organized this event in favor of all those in need in their community, setting a great example for everyone, everywhere. If you are interested in attending this event this weekend on February 27th at 11:11 a.m., please search the hashtags in the flyer you see here. Any donations are greatly appreciated. If you know any that are in need, please direct them to the location of the event. On behalf of the collective, we thank you. We are anonymous, we are legion, we do not forgive, we do not forget, expect us.